In the name of the Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly grace, stars with you. Let us carry a moment, blessed the fruit of your uses, to be made light of God for us sinners now and at the hour of our death. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you, Amy. Now, let's get ready for today's mathematics lesson. Well, today we will learn a very important topic in mathematics, which is algebra. Who among you has ever heard of the word algebra?
I've heard of it, Miss. I think there are letters used in mathematics, right?
Very correct, Titania. You already have a good idea. Let's start the lesson. First of all, let's understand what algebra is. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols of letters so represent number whose value are unknown. The symbol or letters are called variables. Variables usually as letter as X, Y, or Z.
Miss,
Yeah, Brian?
why do we have to use letters? Why not just numbers?
What a great question, Brian. Sometimes we encounter problems where the value of a number is unknown or can change. For example, if we want to calculate the total number of apples and oranges, but we don't know how many apples there are, we can represent the number of apples with a variable, say x. Say x. If there are 5 oranges, then the total number of fruits is x plus 5. Isn't that easy?
Oh, I see, Miss. Some variables are like empty space that we will fill the numbers later.
Yes, that can be said. Now, let's learn the component of algebra. First, variables. Variable is a symbol representing an unknown number. Example, x, y, and z. Second, constant. Constant is a number with a fixed value. Example, 3, 7, and -5. 3. Terma is a combination of variable and constant connected by multiplication or division operation. Example, 2x, 5 squared, and 3. 4. Algebraic expression. Is a combination of terms connected by addition or subtraction operation. Example, 2x plus 3, 5y minus 7 plus 4z. Any question?
Miss, what is the difference between an algebraic expression and an equation?
Great equation, Titania. An algebraic expression does not have an equal sign. While an algebraic equation has an equal sign, and we usually find the value of the variable that makes both sides equal. For example, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 is an expression, while 2x plus 3 equal 9 is an equation.
Miss, how do we simplify the algebraic expression?
To simplify algebraic expression, we can combine like terms. Like terms are terms that have the sum variable and the sum exponent of the variable. For example, 3x and 5x like terms, while 3x and 5y are not like terms. Example,
Sorry, Miss, we'll
for example, simplify 4x plus 2y minus 2x plus 5y. Solution: combine like terms for x and like terms for y equals 4x minus 2x plus 2y plus 5y equals 2x plus 7y.
Miss,
Yes, Brian?
what if there are exponents? For example, 3x the power of 2 and 5x the power of 2. Those are also like terms, right?
Okay, exactly, Brian. The exponent of the variable must also be the sum. So, x, 3x squared and 5x squared are like terms, but 3x squared and 5x are not like terms because their exponents are different.
Miss,
Yeah, Brian?
can you give another example problem?
Of course, Brian. Let's discuss example problem together. Example: 4 times a number plus 3. 4 times a number plus 3. Solution: let the number be x. 4 times the number equals 4x plus 3 plus 3. So the algebraic expression is 4x plus 3. Second example. Five A plus 3B minus 2A plus 7B. Solution. Answer. 5A plus 3B minus 2A plus 7B equals 5A minus 2A, ya, plus 3B
plus 7B.
plus 7B. Good, Titania. Equals 5A minus 2A equals 3A plus
3B
10B.
plus
3B plus 7B equals
10B.
10B. Good job. Okay. I have example for you. Okay, children. Next, I want two people to solve problems on the board. Please. Please, Titania.
Okay, miss.
Right, good job, Titania. Next, Brian.
Or is it is daily life?
Is daily usage in daily life, children. For example, when we go shopping, if we buy books at 15 each rupiah and pens at 5 each rupiah, and we buy X books and Y pens. Y pens. Then the total cost is 17 x 15x plus 15,000x plus 5,000. Or when we calculate distance traveled, distance equals speed times time. If the speed is constant but the time is unknown, we can write distance equals W times T. It's very useful. Is it? Okay, teacher. I'm so sorry. Okay, student. Alright, children. We have learned quite a lot about algebra today. Next, I will briefly summarize what we have learned today. Algebra uses variables to present and noun numbers. Components of algebra include variable, constant, term, and expression. Like terms can be combined to simplify expression. Algebra equations have an equal sign, and we can find the value of variable. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Great. For homework, please solve the following problems. I have 4 problems for homework. I have 3 problems for your homework. Don't forget to do your homework. If you don't understand something, you can ask your friends or come see me. Before we part ways, I want to thank you all for your attention and hard work today. May the algebra material we learned be useful for your future. Thank
Thank you, Miss.